Hello everyone, Namaste. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use the type tool in Adobe Illustrator. There are in total 7 modes of typing in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started and learn how to use them. The first one is the normal type tool. You can access this tool by using the shortcut letter T. With this tool, you can simply click wherever you want to type and start typing. The other way to use this tool is to first create the area where you want to type in. To do this, you have to click, hold and drag to draw the area. Then you can start typing inside that particular area. The second one is the area type tool. Whenever you want to type the text inside a shape or inside a closed path, then this tool can help you do that. Suppose I want to type inside a circle. All I have to do is click on the path of the circle. Then whatever I type will automatically be fitted inside this circle. The third one is the type on the path tool. With this tool, you can type upon any path and whatever you type will automatically take the flow of the path you are typing upon. For example, if I want to type some text in a zigzag manner, I can do this easily by using this tool. The fourth one is vertical type tool. As the name suggests, you can type vertically with this tool and whatever you are typing will be vertical, also the individual characters that you are typing. This tool can be very helpful for you if you are designing some vertical banner ads. The fifth one is vertical area type tool. It works the same as the vertical type tool but inside an area. You can type vertically inside a shape or a closed path area. The sixth one is vertical type on a path tool. With this tool, you can type vertically on a path with the vertical alignment of characters. The last but not the least is touch type tool. You can access this tool with the shortcut Shift+T. This tool allows you to individually edit the character by changing its rotation, size or position. You can use this to create any abstract typographic design. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, share it with your friends and don't hesitate to ask any queries in the comment box. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.